الله أكبر كلما تاب تائب واستغفر. الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله والله أكبر. الله أكبر ولله الحمد. الحمد لله الذي أتم إحسانه على المؤمنين وأكمل. وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له المتفرد بالعز والبقاء فلا ينقضي ملكه ولا يتحول. وأشهد أن سيدنا وسندنا مولانا محمدا عبده ورسوله أفضل نبي وأكرم مرسل صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وأصحابه وأزواجه وأتباعه وأحفاده أجمعين. All praise is due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The most excellent greetings are for the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate today not drinking, not eating food, but something else. We celebrate the freedom of our spirit. Ramadan is gone. The Taraweeh prayer is over. So during this blessed month of Ramadan, we witnessed and experienced the most organic, healthy, fruitful, and reflective process of the whole year. We fasted, we performed 9 prayers, we recited the Quran, and tried to understand a little bit of its pages. We attempted to become a better version of ourselves, taking note of our shortcomings, observing our misbehaviors, and nourishing our hearts and minds simultaneously. Religion, my dear brothers and sisters, is not blindly following the footsteps of our ancestors. It is a close relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and with the Quran, engaging both intellectually and spiritually. We just commenced in this month, in this 30-day journey, a significant step toward realizing that no matter sinful, negligent, distracted by the lure of materialism and capitalism, there is one ultimate authority, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who says in the Quran, نَبِّئْ عِبَادِي أَنِّي أَنَا الْغَفُورُ الرَّحِيمُ. Tell my servants that I am all forgiving and all merciful. Dear brothers and sisters, today we celebrate the Eid al-Fitr. As I mentioned earlier, the term Eid, we say Eid Mubarak, is an Arabic phrase, and that derives from the root Aada Ya'udu, which means turn back or return. At the same time, the term al-Fitr is an Arabic word, and it means nature, primordial nature, and identity. After a couple of days, replete with regular and constant worship. So we turn back to our original nature. We purified our souls. We performed Taraweeh prayers. We fasted. We came together. We shared the foods. We eat. We drank together. And we felt that Allah's mercy is upon congregation and community and togetherness. We felt that the Quran is Allah's intellectual and spiritual light provided for us and to us. We also recognized and understood that the vanity of this illusionary world means nothing